Hello boys and girls, this is Dave, the science guy. Today we're going to do some simple experiment. You're going to watch this can collapse. We're going to observe it, we're going to see how it collapses. We're going to talk a little bit about it. Now, what do we need for this experiment? Well, first of all, we need an aluminum can. We need some regular water, some ice, and we put some tap water in there. We need something to hold the can, and we're going to also use a stovetop oven. Now, the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and put some water in this can. Just a little bit's fine. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this can and we're going to put it on the stovetop oven. Now, as what we're doing here, generally what we're doing here is we're putting the can and we're putting the stovetop, we put the can on top of the oven. We put water in here. As you saw, you can hear that water shake, you can hear it bubble, it's boiling, it's getting very hot inside this chamber. Now, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the can, we're going to invert it, and we're going to drop it in that ice cold water. And we're going to see what happens. And then you're going to be very surprised, as I was. It seems like it's getting pretty hot. You can kind of see the steam coming out from the top. So that means that as the water is getting hotter, it's actually evaporating. It's turning into vapor, and it's filling this tank. It's filling this can, which is a tank. It's filling it with vapor, with water vapor. So let's see what happens when we rapidly cool it. Now what I'm doing here is I'm setting the camera so you can have a better view. You can have a better view of the ice water. Now there's ice water in here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get the can. We're going to drop it in there. Wasn't that amazing? That was awesome. Now, let's think about what happened here. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes just so you can gather your thoughts and talk with your friends.